Hello, how are you today? Let's practice your listening skills. Today, I am here in Miami, more precisely in Miami Beach. You can toggle the subtitles on somewhere around here. Click there and turn on the subtitles. Okay? This video is for you to practice your listening. So I will be speaking very slow and I will be walking around Miami Beach and telling you about my day. Okay, let's go. I arrived yesterday from Brazil, of course. And then I took a bus and I came to my hotel last evening, and then I checked in at the hotel. I prepared my things, I took a shower, and I went out. So I went to walk around to visit the city. And last night I came to Miami Beach too, because this is one of the most popular places in Miami. It's very beautiful. There are a lot of bars, a lot of things to do, a lot of people. It's a very nice place, as you can see. And then, so I walked a lot last night. I walked a lot. And after, I went to a restaurant where I had a beer. Of course, I had a beer and chicken wings, buffalo chicken wings. Very spicy, but very delicious. Okay, let's walk around. So this place behind me is Miami Beach, more precisely the South Beach. Okay, this is the south part of Miami Beach. And then right in front of me, I will show you, is the popular Ocean Drive. This street that you are seeing here, this street is called Ocean Drive. And this is one of the most popular places in Miami. So if you stop by Miami, if you are here for only one day, maybe two, this is for sure the first place that you want to come, the first place that you will want to visit. It's beautiful. Lots of bars, lots of beautiful people, lots of fat people too. Beautiful fat people. And yeah. So this is just a little video of me speaking English slowly, so you can practice your listening skills. Okay, let me know in the comments below, what you think about this video. If this is a nice video for you to practice, or if it's not, I don't know. Give me your opinion, and maybe the next time I can prepare a better video for you. But the idea here is for me just to be speaking slower, so you can understand better. Okay, I think that's it for today. I see you guys the next time. Bye.